carving, 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 carving. We're gonna carve this part, so we're gonna do a cover. Let's make it darker. Mommy's carving it. Carve it, carve it, carve it.
I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, you never carved the pumpkin. See, Mama.
Ready? Go. We're almost there.
Okay. Don't open that because I want to open it. Just use the stand.
It's now losing them.
Losing?
Yeah.
It's losing. Open. Open. Can you see it?
Okay.
Oh, no, Mimi! Can you do it? Okay. You hold the bottom, okay? Hold this part.
Go ahead.
Ew. And it's heavy. They look like, but they're heavy. They look big, but they're not heavy.
How is it?
Good. It's really good. It looks like we've cut a real pumpkin's eyes out.
Mm-hmm.
That's alive. Look at our fun. Hey, you cut a whole line. You passed it.
Here.
She passed the line. Still a pumpkin. Doesn't need a beat.
But it's a happy.
Look at this part.
Is that okay? Or you want a little bit more, or is it?
You want? It's fine. It's fine.
You like it that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready, Mr. Pumpkin, to scoop out your stuff? Sure, sure. when I was 4 years old. Well, that was a long time ago. Go check the video in the ball shape. It says how to bake the pumpkin. And we also did the seeds. Hi guys, we're playing with pumpkin inside. It's like slime and the seeds for the letters. So slippery, I can't. You have to do like this so the pumpkin inside can be baked. If you don't do this, it will become black when you cook it. So make sure you do like this if you want to bake the inside of the pumpkin. If you don't, the pumpkin will turn black. When you bake it without doing like this, the inside of the pumpkin will be black. And also the seeds. It's more squishier. Until it's more squishier, you can cook it.
How you doing, Brianna?
Orange. Orange. There's seeds. Okay, we're almost finished. There is nothing left. It's so slippery when I touch something. I was just cleaning the pumpkin because there was seeds and pumpkin inside all over it because I touched it. Stop it, give it to me. Okay. So we're gonna clean it. Oreos and milk. Dip it in your milk. As we got Oreo, pumpkin also gets Oreo. Let's put the decoration. Decoration, decoration. Decorate that. Now pumpkin has cookies. Wow. I got a name for the pumpkin. Cookie Monster Pumpkin. And it's catching to the milk. Running to the milk, running to the milk. Catching to the milk. Thank you for watching and subscribe. And we're going to watch my KB Munchkins. We're eating our Oreo cookies.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.